Most independent artists miss the most important day of their release, day 1. Here is why it matters. Spotify watches what happens in the first 24 hours. They track saves, they track playlist ads, they track listener engagement. If your song performs well on day 1, Spotify pushes it to more people. If it flops, it disappears into the algorithm graveyard. You need pre-saves. A pre-save is like a pre-order for music. Fans click a link before your release date. Your song is automatically saved to their Spotify library the moment it goes live. More pre-saves equals more day 1 saves. More day 1 saves tell Spotify this song is hot. That triggers algorithmic playlists. Discover Weekly, Release Radar, Radio. This is how songs go from 0 to thousands of streams. And the best part, you do not need fans to get pre-saves. Let me explain. I run pre-save campaigns for my AI music. Every single release. I do not have a big following. I do not have an email list. I do not pay for ads. And I still get hundreds of pre-saves per song. Here is exactly how. DistroKid has a free tool called HyperFollow. It creates a landing page for your upcoming release. One link. That is it. Fans click it. They connect their Spotify account. Your song is pre-saved instantly. The page shows your album art, your artist name, the release date, a countdown timer that builds anticipation. It also lets fans pre-save on Apple Music and follow you on Spotify right there, all from one link. Let me show you the setup. First, upload your song to DistroKid. Pick a release date that is at least 2 weeks out. You need time to run the campaign during the upload process. Check the box that says HyperFollow. DistroKid generates your HyperFollow page automatically. You get a custom link. It looks like distrokid.com/hyperfollow/your artist name/your song. That link is everything. Now you need to get people to click it. Here is the strategy most people ignore. You do not need fans. You need listeners who want free music. Post your HyperFollow link on Reddit, in subreddits for playlist sharing, for indie music, for your genre. Post on X. Use hashtags like New Music Friday, upcoming release, indie artist. Join Discord servers for independent musicians. Share your link in the promo channels. Create a TikTok with a preview of your song. Put the HyperFollow link in your bio. Make a YouTube short, 15 seconds of your best hook. Drop the link in the comments. The key is volume. Aim for 50 to 100 posts across platforms in the 2 weeks before release. 10 posts a day, different angles, different previews, same HyperFollow link. Most people will not click, but some will, and those clicks stack up. Here's what happened with my last release. I ran this exact strategy for 14 days. I posted 93 times across Reddit, X, Discord, and YouTube Shorts. The result? 412 pre-saves on a song with 0 existing fans. Day 1. Spotify saw 400 plus saves in the first few hours. The algorithm kicked in. Discover Weekly picked it up. 2 weeks later, 3,200 streams, all organic. That is the power of a pre-save campaign. Now let me give you the advanced tips. 1. Your album art matters a lot. When someone sees your HyperFollow link, the first thing they notice is the artwork. Use an eye-catching image, bright colors, bold text, something that stands out in a feed of white and gray. Spend 5 minutes making a custom cover with Canva. It makes a real difference in click-through rate. 2. Create urgency with your copy. Do not just say, "Here is my new song." Say something like, "This drops Friday, pre-save now before you forget." Or, 10 seconds of what is about to be everywhere. Link to pre-save. Make people feel like they are getting in early, before everyone else discovers it. 3. Use a preview that hooks in 3 seconds. Record a screen capture of your song playing. Just the best part. The drop. The hook. The part that gives you goosebumps. 10 to 15 seconds. That is all you need. Post that preview everywhere. With your HyperFollow link right there, people hear a great hook, they want to save it. Click, done. 4. Stack multiple releases. Pre-saves compound. When someone pre-saves your song, Spotify adds them to your follower count. Next time you release, Spotify sends them a notification. They are more likely to listen again. If you release every 2 weeks with a pre-save campaign, your follower count grows exponentially. Month 1, maybe 50 followers. Month 3, 300. Month 6, 2,000 plus. Each new follower is free promotion for every future release. 5. Track your HyperFollow analytics. DistroKid